Okay, we are at Ranch at Silver Creek, Building 4. We are going to be going underneath the building from the low side cleanout. Victor,
I can't see you. Starts flowing back.
You're good. You're
right
go.
there.
Yeah,
That's the inbound.
go for it.
Using a lot of water. More fitting there.
Hold on. Go for it. No, keep push like going about 30 feet.
It's underwater, huh?
Yeah, there's the belly in the line.
Yeah, it's underwater.
Pull it back kind of like fast. Okay. Yeah, it's underneath the water big time.
Yeah.
It's probably like somewhere around like half the pipe that's holding.
Shit, that's one of them. That's probably bad.
There you go. You're coming out now.
Right there.
Yeah.
Well, right there is where it ends.
Okay, keep going.
That's not good. The whole building's probably down.
Pop it back.
I think.
It's a Y. That's a double Y. That's right. Well,
There's a 10 already.
well, no, it's more like it's not. It's a double Y. It's not a Y. It has two. It looks like a cross almost. It splits both ways.
Could it be where it goes to the
To the
toilet?
toilet, to the tubs, or to the toilet, one to one side. That was that. That was that fitting.
Because the one I have is something special.
Mm.
It didn't cleared up.
Yeah, it's
Gotta go under there and level it off there.
And it comes out again. Hold on, Hector. That's a Y.
Boing.
Pop it back. Alright. You notice how every time it comes to the fittings, it comes out the water?
It's like,
Yeah, it's just doing this all throughout the whole building. Well, throughout this part so far.
That's the top of the
Yeah,
water
that's,
right there.
that's the top right there.
soap.
Yeah, somebody's probably washing, taking a shower.
Whatever it is, it's on the lens.
Yeah. You're probably out the water and it's all soapy right there in that one spot. Yeah, so you're already cleared up. Come back real quick, hold on. Go ahead.
There's a fitting again, huh? How you're
Yeah.
saying it's raised up.
Yeah.
There's a fitting slowly out of water.
Bring it back real quick here. You think that was a paper towel? Yeah, go ahead. Toilet paper.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you're getting grease.
Yeah.
It's grease.
That's why it gets thick like that, son.
Probably so.
That's where the problem's gonna
Hard
be
to
somewhere
push.
right there.
Yeah, it's a lot of grease. You see how solid
Somewhere
it
right there's gonna be a problem.
Really hard to push.
There's another why?
gets? Yeah, you see how you solid
Can't
it
push
gets?
it now. That's as far as I can push it.
Push it some more? Or
That's as far as I can push it.
so far you can go?
Yeah. I can't
Yeah,
go no
there's a
more.
bunch of grease in the
Too
line.
much grease.
It needs to be. There's a lot of grease in the line. We're not able to push the camera anymore. It's getting hung up on it. We're gonna pause it real quick.